Hi there, Mystery Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. I'm busy making tutorials, but I thought I'd come in and show you what I've done so far. As you can see, I've done lots and lots of snowmen and women or boys and girls. And they're looking adorable, don't you think? These cupcake toppers are actually for, I'm donating the cupcakes to a charity event. So that's why there's so many. But just think, yours can be as cute as this. Obviously, I've got a tutorial showing you how to make them. But I wanted to show you this. This is why I've come on. Move them out the way. My next tutorial, which I actually am currently filming, will be how to make this. Are you ready? Oh! A Santa, or Father Christmas as I prefer to call him. A Father Christmas cake topper. How adorable. He's drying at the moment. I've just been kind of working through it just to see. I always do a little bit of a tester before I start to see if it works. Because obviously all my tutorials are for beginners and I want to make it as simple and easy as possible. So give me your comments what you think of my little Father Christmas. And what are you up to today? I'd love to hear. And if you've begun any Christmas caking things in advance, I'd like to hear what. Have you made my Christmas cake yet? Come on, get into the kitchen, get making it. Well, thanks for your time and I'll see you soon. Bye.